Let's start this one with a story. When I did build his garage, he planned to put a little workshop inside. A few years back, I saw him working in there, so I thought it was done. That was until December of last year. I had an idea for the project on the main channel, and I needed a drill press. My dad said he had one in the workshop, but it wasn't installed yet. I asked him if he could set it up so I can use it. Fast forward a few months to February, still nothing. I desperately needed to cut an aluminium tube for my project, filament track, last video. So I went out there and see what the holdup was. And I finally understood why he hadn't done a thing. This is how it looked. Yeah, it's a disaster. So after a few weeks of convincing him, I decided I'm just going to do it myself. So here we are. The plan for this video is simple. Clean this disaster up and finally install the drill press. But first, the cleanup. Let's knock this out real quick. Before we get to the main event, installing the drill press, there's one quick thing I need to take care of. See these? Essential for any workshop. But right now, the roll is just sitting on the holder. And if I need a towel, I have to grab the whole thing, and suddenly the entire roll is covered in grease. So let's 3D print the solution. I always wanted to try 3D printing a custom bearing, and this was a perfect excuse. I found it awesome too on MakerBoard that lets you generate custom bearings of any size. I'll leave a link in the description. I took my measurements, generated the file, and got it printing. Then I grabbed the wall collector, designed a custom holder around it, and printed it out as well. Pop the bearing in, mount it up, and just like that, no more greasy paper towels. Alright, now for the part 2, the drill press. I spent a solid 2 weeks just overthinking how to mount this thing. My dad's original idea was to use a simple bolt and nut, so you could just unscrew it and move it out of the way when you needed space. The problem, this thing is way too heavy, and dragging it around would completely destroy the workbench. So after a lot of searching, I came up with a better plan. I took a leftover piece of a tabletop, cut it down to size, drilled some mounting holes, and bolted the press directly to it. Now it has a super strong base. I can move it around freely without ruining the table, and it works perfectly. And with that, the first phase of the workshop build is officially done. Now I can finally start tackling the massive list of projects I have planned. Make sure to stick around for those, and I'll see you in the next one.